special young lady here growing into a fine woman. And if you notice in some of the other shots that will be added to this, there's a vehicle. I'll let her tell you her story first.
So I drive a 56 Crown Victoria with a 460 big block Ford in it. It can go 140 in an 8.
140 in 8 seconds? Oh my gosh, talk about a granny speeding down the speedway, but you're not even there yet. Oh God. Watch out, people. If she's going 100 in that now at age 14, do the math. Holy cow, she's going to be going 800 and something by that time. What got you started in this in the first place?
So one of my friends wanted us to go out to his track, and I was about 7, and I had a Power Wheel, and I asked him if I could take my Power Wheel down the track, and he said, why don't you just drive my grandson's? So I did, and then a weekend later, I got my own dragster, and then it just built up from there.
You got it? You impressed him that much with your skills? Holy cow. Now that takes talent. Definitely. Do you feel as prideful as your smile is? I hope so. What about you, Grandpa?
I love it.
You love it?
Yep.
So, I've heard these rumors. You do your own mechanic work too?
Yes.
Holy cow, really?
Yep.
You get good grades too?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. Oh, no way. You get good grades, you work on your own dragster, and you drive it.
Yes.
That's a triple threat right there. Dang. Have you won anything yet?
I have won 3 races in my little car.
And that's over how long?
It took 3 years for me to win.
3 years, so that's a win every year if you average it. That's darn good. Hear that, people? Yeah, you better be shaking your boots. She's crawling up that ladder to adulthood real quick. If there was anything in the world, what would you want to do?
I want to become a speed mechanic and work on race cars like mine and make them faster.
Nice.
And I want to be a professional drag racer, like jump cars. And I want to drive a jet car too.
Ooh, now there's our goal, a jet car. No wonder they kept the Batmobile away from you. They could just see you right now going down there with that rocket car on that Batmobile. Holy smoking bat britches, Batman. That's faster than I make dog food and cat food. What do you got planned this year, if anything, big?
Try to win as many races as I can.
Good goal. What's your next entry?
March.
Sometime in March.
March.
Riverdale.
In Riverdale.
Hey, tag this post with the date, and maybe some of my viewers will show up and watch you win. That'd be awesome. You win right after this, and keep on winning all the way to the victory line of adulthood. I wish you all the luck.
Thank you.
You definitely got the skill, and you have wonderful support.
Yes.
Well, that is all we're going to do here for this time around. Pay attention. This is Jesse. I'm going to pay attention, and hopefully somewhere down the road soon, I'll get an invite out of the blue, not even expecting it, and you all get a wonderful update on how victorious she has made her entire life. You can dream, but work for those dreams, because you can make a dream come true. Jesse's making her dream come true. So am I, and so is many others I know. You can dream, and you can do it too. Whoop!
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and stay tuned for more on Willis Talk.